I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. I recently published a video on double-cut pork chops that were brined, then smoked and grilled, and I maintained that they were tender and juicy. Well, one of my subscribers called me out on that and basically said, pork chops, tender and juicy? I don't think so. Where's the proof? Where are the pictures? So I decided, fair question. So I'm going to remake that video, and I'm going to focus on the science behind why a brined pork chop is indeed tender and juicy. And I'm going to provide the proof. So let's get cooking.
First, let's talk about why a brine works. A brine is basically a solution of salt and sugar mixed in water. It allows moisture and salt to be carried into the cells of the meat through a process called osmosis. What that does is it actually adds moisture to the meat. This pork chop is starting out at 882 grams, and after I have soaked it in a brine solution for 6 hours, at the end, it comes out at 912 grams. It picked up 30 grams of water in the brining process. That will help keep this pork chop from drying out and make it moist and tender. Time to light a barbecue. This pork chop is going on the smoker for about an hour and a half to 2 hours until the internal temperature hits 145 degrees. Then I'm going to pull off the chop and I'm going to rub it with a very simple rub that I made of brown sugar, some chili powder, kosher salt, and paprika. Then it's ready for the grill. I've let that pork chop rest for about 5 minutes, and now it's time to cut it open. That is tender and juicy. Give brining a try. It works. And that is how we do pork chops in Texas. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. We've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.